Yes, children. So, everyone, okay, I will explain you a short concept, okay, changes in states of matter. Then we will come up with the activity. Okay, is it fine? Okay, so children, solid turning into liquid. Can you give me few examples? Solid turning into liquid. Solid is one state. Okay, it is.
Ma'am, I
Huh.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Hmm. Correct. Now if there is, yes, children. Yes, ice, very good. Okay, now if we have the candle, okay, initially its size is bigger. Okay, as you see, when it has been lighted, okay, lighted candle, okay, if you keep it for burning, what will happen? The size will go on decreasing. Why is it so, children? Because a lighted candle, okay, it will go on melting. Yes,
It will melt.
yes, it will melt. So children, yes, okay,
It will melt.
yes. So children, 1 minute, can you see a lighted candle?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, lighted candle, after some times what will happen? It will start melting. Okay, then you can see that its size is been reduced. Yes, size will not remain the same because the wax has got melted. Is it, children? Okay, so this is one of the example for lighted candle. Okay, yes. So next one, if you take out the ice from the ice tray, okay, from the fridge, if you take out the ice and keep it outside for some time, what will happen? Solid ice, it will turn into,
Ma'am, it will melt.
yes,
It will melt.
yes, then you'll see that there is a water formation. Yes, okay. So even the ice cream, if you keep it outside, what will happen? It will be completely melted. Yes, it will be not in the form of ice. Okay, it will soon melt. Okay, so liquid into gas, if you keep water for boiling, what will happen, children? Water vapors will start evaporating. Yes, yes, it will start boiling and you can see the water vapors outside the vessel. Okay, so this is liquid into gas. Okay, so the next one, what is this process called? Liquid boiling and it is forming the water vapor. What is this process called, children? Any guesses?
Water vapor.
Yeah, water vapor is formed. Yes, it is evaporation. It is called as evaporation. Okay, yes, please mute everyone, I want to tell you something. Yes, liquid, that is the water, it is turning into water vapor, that is called as evaporation. Okay, please underline, children, page number 41, page number 41. Okay, liquid into gas, please underline, the process of conversion of liquid into gas is called as evaporation. Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, yes, okay. Then what is cooling then? If you have taken ice, okay, in one glass, and if you close the lid of that glass, okay, take one plate and close the glass with the help of a lid, what will happen after some time? Outside of the glass, outer surface of the glass, there are small tiny water droplets. Yes. Okay. There are small tiny water droplets. Then what is that process called? Condensation. Okay. Gas, it has been converted into liquid. Okay. Water vapor. Later on, if you just put a lid over it, what you can see? The water vapors are collected under the plate. Okay, just have a try, everyone. When your mother is cooking, okay, when your mother is cooking, don't touch the hot utensil. Just keep one plate, close the plate over the hot utensil and check it after 5 minutes. Yes, there are small tiny water droplets under the plate. Okay, this is called, children, condensation. Process of conversion of gas into liquid is called as condensation. Is it clear? Yes? Okay. Okay, children. So the next one, liquid into solid. See, these all the processes are very important. You should learn them. Okay? Yes. Then what is freezing? What is freezing, children? In the ice tray, you pour water, okay, and you keep it in the freezer. What is formed?
It will
Yes, it will turn into solid. Okay, so it is liquid into solid. What is this process called as? It is known as freezing. Okay.
freezing.
Yes, what is the process known as? Freezing. Freezing. Okay, please underline, children. Page number 42. Page number 42. The first paragraph, there is the definition of freezing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, someone is typing in Marathi.
Yes, he is Atharva. Okay. Yes. So children, yeah, please pay attention. Till now we have discussed how many process? The first one is regarding melting. Okay. Solid turning into liquid, it is known as melting. Okay. Ice, if you keep it outside for some time, ice cream, if you keep it outside, okay, it is known as melting. You will tell that ice is being melted. Okay. Ice cream, if you don't eat it very soon, what will happen? The ice cream will melt. Okay. So next one, yes, the next one is liquid into gas. Okay, what is liquid into gas process known as? Evaporation. Page number 41, I am asking you to underline, children. Okay, the bold letters, the words, those are the sentences that you have to read. Okay, next one, cooling. What is cooling process known as? The process of conversion of gas into liquid. Yes, gas into liquid, it is known as condensation. Okay? Yes. So the next one, the last one is regarding liquid into solid. Liquid, in the ice tray, we will pour water. Okay? We will fill it with water, and if we place it in the refrigeration, we will see that there is a formation of ice cubes. So it is solid. Yes, this process is known as freezing. Okay, liquid into solid, this process is known as freezing. Okay, yes. So children, tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you all are ready with the activity now. Okay, so take a glass of water. Yes, glass of water. Okay, what is the next process you do? Which activity we are doing, children? Lemonade. Yes, correct. Okay. Next one, what you do? You take lemon, okay, half cut lemon. What you do? You squeeze it into the water. Squeeze the lemon in a glass of water, everyone. Do it if you have a squeezer. Yes? Yes, okay, you can use that. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, children. Yes, everyone. Very good. Halgi, you're doing? See, as soon as I take your name, please don't leave the meeting, children. I'm asking you to do the activity. Yes, how much water you have taken? If you have taken 1 glass of water, yes, squeeze half lemon into a glass of water. Yes, Dhanush. Yes. Do it. Very good, children. Okay. Then next what you do, you have to add sugar. Okay. Add sugar, 1 spoon or 1.5 spoon. How much sweet you need? Okay. Yes. Very good, children. Yes. 2 spoons. Yes. Fine. Okay. Okay. Next, what will you add next, children? Which solute you will add? Salt. Very good. Yes. Yes. Next, you have to use salt. Very good. Yes. You all are preparing lemonade now. Okay. Yes. Half to 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Check the taste, children. Stir it well. You have to stir it well. Okay. Yes. See that the salt and sugar doesn't settle down. It should completely get dissolved in water. Okay. Yes. Stir well. Yes. Is it completed? Stir it completely. Very good. Yes, children. Is it ready? Melted? What about the salt? Salt is melted? Yes, add salt also, children. Add salt, sugar. Okay? Yes. Very good.
And this I make in summer.
Yes. It is very,
Cardamom also.
yeah, cardamom you can add for the taste. Okay? Yes. So children, what all solute did you use here? Which solute did you use here?
Salt and sugar.
Very good. So salt and sugar are the solutes. Okay? What is the solvent? Yes. Very good. Nice. Very nice. Okay? See children, check everyone. Hold the glass and check whether the salt and sugar both are dissolved or no. Can you see the crystals of sugar and salt now? No. You have stirred it completely. Okay? Yes. So, where did the salt and sugar go? It has been settled into the empty spaces in the water. Okay? So, yes. Okay, Kamle, juice is ready? Yes? Yes. Yes. Is it tasty? How is the taste? Yes, children.
Taste is nice.
Taste is nice.
And
Okay.
it is nice.
Okay. It gives you energy also. Okay. There is vitamin C. Okay. In lemon, we find vitamin C. Okay. You don't have lemon? Okay. Once you get, then you can prepare it. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I am not prepared.
Who? Patil? Yes. So very good, children. I hope you have enjoyed the activity. Okay. This is lemonade. Here the solutes we have used is sugar and salt. Okay. And the solvent is water. Okay. And water, it has a capacity to dissolve sugar and salt. Okay. We call it universal solvent. Why we call it universal solvent? Because maximum number of solutes will get dissolved into water. Okay. Yes, this every now and then, whenever you feel like drinking juice.
Solvent or solute?
Yes, Kirti.
And lemon juice is solvent or solute?
Lemon juice solution now. Now what you are drinking, it is a solution. Okay. Now what you all are drinking, it is a solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So solute and solvent together we call it as a solution. Okay. Yes. Tell me. Salt and sugar, okay, they will get settled in the empty spaces.
Solute or solvent?
Which one? Which one, children?
And lemon, when we put lemon juice,
Yes, it is.
or solute?
Yes, it is a liquid solute. Okay. Yesterday we have seen liquid solution. Yes or no? Miscible liquid. Okay. So it is a liquid solute. Yes, it is a liquid solute. Liquid has been dissolved into another liquid, that is the solvent. Okay, solute is liquid, solvent is also liquid. Okay, now you are drinking solution. Okay, solute and solvent together we call it as a solution. Okay, did you all enjoy it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So children, in this activity we have understood what is solute and what is solvent. Okay. Yes. So salt and water. See, salt and water together we call it as a salt solution. Okay. Salt and water together we call it as a salt solution. Okay, children. Sugar and water. What is the name of the solution? Sugar. Yes, very good. Sugar solution. Okay. So solute what we are adding into a liquid. Okay. So it will be solid. So we call it as a solid liquid solution. Okay. Now if you are adding salt, okay, it is solid now. Yes. Solute is a substance that will get dissolved in solvent. Okay, solute will get dissolved in solvent, so we call it as a solution. Salt, sugar are called as solutes. Yes, children, please mute. My voice is getting break. Yes, Chimalgi. Yeah, please mute it.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes. Sand will not get dissolved due to the particle size. Okay, particle size is very large, for which it will not break the bond of water molecule. Okay, and there are no bigger size empty space between the water. Now between the water there are empty spaces, so sugar and salt will get dissolved. Okay, whereas sand will not get dissolved since there are no more empty spaces for the water to get dissolved for sand. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Gas dissolve in water. Yes. No. Just think over. Yes. Can you give me example? Whoever is telling me yes, please can you give me an example? Any juices? Okay. Juice. Yes.
Coca-Cola.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. So there carbon dioxide gas is dissolved it is dissolved in the liquid. Okay, they will, yes, yes children. So yes, so they'll dissolve which gas? Carbon dioxide, okay, into the liquid. First they'll prepare the juice, okay, and they will suppress the gas CO2, that is carbon dioxide gas. Okay, next, all the aquatic life, that is the aquatic plants, aquatic animals, okay, aquatic meaning what children? The things that are there inside the water. Okay, can you give me aquatic animals name? Can you name any of the aquatic animals? Yes, starfish, correct. Okay, so how do they, yes, so children, yes, very good. Okay, so children, yes, okay, so children, seahorse, yes, very good. So children, 1 minute, if they do not breathe, what they will do? There are the dissolved oxygen in the water. Okay, aquatic life, it is possible in the water because aquatic plants and animals, they will take out the oxygen that is dissolved in water. Water means it is H2O. O means what? Oxygen. Okay, there is a dissolved oxygen in the aquatic life. Okay, aqua means water. Okay, yes, so what will happen? Inside there is the possibility for the breathing of the animals because there is the dissolved oxygen in the water. Okay, and hence life is possible even in aquatic life. Okay, yes, they breathe in oxygen that is dissolved in water. Okay, and children, the juices like aerated drinks, what we call, okay, there is a carbon dioxide gas dissolved in water. Okay, carbon dioxide gas has been dissolved in the juice. Okay, and if the bottle is been kept open, okay, that particular bottle's cap, if it is kept open, the gas will just evaporate outside. Okay, and later on if you just drink it, the taste won't be that good, it will be completely flat. Okay, because the gas has been completely evolved out. Is it clear? Any doubts still here children? No, no, no. All cold drinks do not contain carbon dioxide. Okay, whenever you drink that particular aerated drink, okay, there is an evolution of the gas from the nose. You can feel it. Okay, that gas will just come out from the nose. Yes, yes. No, no, please don't present any screen, children. Yes. So children, answer the questions now. What is the process known as for the conversion of liquid into solid? Liquid into solid, what is that process called as? Freezing. Very good. Yes. Okay, very good children. Yes. Okay. What is the process called for liquid into vapor?
Voice is not coming.
It's not coming now. What is the process called for the conversion of liquid into vapors? Yes, it is liquid into vapor. That process is called as evaporation. Okay? Yes. What is the process known as? Yes, solid into liquid. Solid into liquid. Melting or heating. Heating. Yes. Okay. Next, liquid into solid. Once again, liquid into solid. Freezing. Who is that pulling? What are you going to pull?
Ma'am, Patil.
Yes? Okay. So liquid into vapor is evaporation. Okay. Next, vapors into liquid. Now vapors are going out. Okay. You will close the lid and you will see the water droplets. What is that process called as? Condensation. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. It is condensation. Okay. Yes. So we have discussed all the four process, that is heating, evaporation, okay, condensation, cooling, okay, and the last one is liquid into solid, that is freezing. Okay. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in the next class,
What will happen? We will put.
so what you have to do, you have to make a poster, okay, in which there are solid, liquid and gas, okay, but those all should not be just like duster, spoon, okay, computer. No, not these things. I want something related to the nature, okay. Related to nature, you will have to classify them as solid, liquid and gas. You have to make a small poster, okay. You can do with any you can use any material that is feasible for you. Yes, not only chart, you can use anything, okay. Make something, draw, okay.